Hey guys, samahan niyo ako as we visit the newly opened Big Bad Wolf Trinoma in Quezon City. And it's open early this week and it's gonna run for around 2 weeks if I'm not mistaken. Pero yeah, let's check out what you can see inside. So first off, you can see, ayan, kuha muna tayo ng basket. Let's look around. Let's see here. So, eto yung main area, yung stage area. Pagka may activities kayo sa Trinoma, you can clearly see that they have converted it into something beautiful for bibliophiles. We're looking at the fiction section. I spotted a lot of great books there. I actually like the Sabrina one. Not so sure though kasi medyo tight yung budget ko at that time. Let's look at the crowd here. Actually, when I got invited for this is a VIP. It's a VIP event, so puro mga media ang mga umattend. So practically we got first dibs on the products and on the books. So I'm showing you here, if you're not familiar with how Big Bad Wolf's pricing works, they don't put the prices anymore sa books. They just put in stickers and you just have to check what is the value of that letter on that board. As you can see, dyan si Tony. Nagulat nga ako dyan si Tony. Cool. It's also powered by Metrobank. Last year was also Metrobank, and this year, yeah, they're back. And syempre, you know me naman, I will always zoom past and go for the comic books, graphic novels. So nakita ko yung stand, I immediately went there, checked it out. And ayun, ito yung mga available items, available books from Marvel, from DC that you can get. There's a Spider-Man collection, there's a Deadpool, parang art book yata siya. Tapos ito, let me show you the pricing. And I will hammer this down again and again for you guys. So, para mas madali na yung shopping experience nyo when you visit Big Bad Wolf. Yan, meron din mga kids books, novels, graphic novels, adaptations for Good Dinosaur. There's Kairos. Konti lang, honestly, medyo malungkot ako kasi konti lang yung mga Marvel and DC and trade paperbacks. Unlike last year, medyo marami pang options, medyo late lang, pero ngayon talaga konti here. And view. So pag view, 1-1. So, ang fee daw ay 600. Honestly, naghahanap din ako ng mga movie art books kasi last year nakita ko ng mga Godzilla. Sadly, wala rin eh. Pero eto, may nakita ko na Lego Batman movie art book. So, I guess yan. It was also, again, parang in line with what's happening right now. They have Origins 2, the poorly received book that Marvel came out, trying to explain more about the past ni Wolverine. That was around for 600 pesos if I'm not mistaken. Tapos ayan, let's look around for more stuff here. Nung nasa cooking section ako, nakakita din ako ng pencil art book, Power of the Pencil, which is weird for me. Pero nandun siya nakastack, so I just put it in the basket. At this point, naghahanap lang tayo ng mga books na pwede kong ipasalubong sa daughter ko wasn't really looking for anything kasi nga nakita na natin yung Marvel and yung DC and yung comics. It's not really that much. This is another pick of mine, unicorns. I wanted also to get her into superhero books. So medyo nag-iisip din ako kung kukuha ako ng mga superhero girls ng DC. These are books, these are actual parang trade paperbacks. So it's nice. Medyo addict din siya sa Sonic Universe, so I also was also considering getting those as well. Sumilip din tayo sa Filipino section ng Big Bad Wolf, and okay naman yung selection nila. Was looking for some old titles pero wala, so move on na lang tayo. They also had a nice set for journals. You can see there a little bit, meron silang Stranger Things, which is kind of weird pero it's nice din. May mga tarot reading books sila, pero move around to the back and may makikita kang mga coloring book collections, for adult coloring book collections. So, sobrang natuwa ako. I actually was fancy getting the Art of War. Ito. So, yeah, medyo weird pero yeah, Art of War. So, if you look at the price, again, just gonna show you how this works. You check on the price, there's the letter there, and then, yun na yung lalagay nyo sa book niyo or sa niyo, ilagay niya sa shopping cart niyo. There's also spoiler alert here, so medyo I like this one, babalikan ko to when I go back to Trinoma. There's also konti lang yung mga anime related and manga books nila, which is surprising for me. If you're a fan of Beatles, meron kang Paul McCartney autobiography. And bumalik din tayo sa graphic novels again kasi I had to, leave na maya-maya, pero kailangan ko na rin pumili ng item na bibilhin. Pero dinaanan ko lang to, sinilip ko lang kung meron akong interesting na book dito. So may Kingdom Hearts, may Star Wars Rebel na manga version anyway. Tas ito nga, Origin 2. So I decided na medyo, what the hell, I'll just probably get the DC Comics year by year. Pero I also wanted to check out the pagbalik ko, actually wala na to So ayan nga, DC Comics year by year. This is actually around 2,500 if sabi ng tropa nating si Claude. This is Y. As you can see, it's marked as letter Y. So if you go and check the Y, it's 1520 yata. So add to the cart na yan. Also wanted to show you the young adult selections for the VIP opening day. Not that much, pero okay din. Okay din yung mga titles nila. Ayan. So bago magbayad, I also checked out the Filipino section again. Baka may mga na-miss out ako mga titles. And so far, okay naman. May mga interesting. I did spot Trip to Quiapo ni Ricky Lee. And sadly, hindi ko inabutan si Ricky Lee nung opening. Like, late ako lang a few hours. Pero, okay lang. Wanted to show you lang, guys, the other stuff, the other books na pwede mong bilhin for kids. Syempre, support local pa rin tayo. And may mga nakita ko magandang titles nga as I mentioned earlier. Ayan, Sweet and Sassy Sisters. Actually, very nice din yung nila. Ayan, may nakita pa akong Ricky Lee dito, si Tatang Mang Himala. Also, by the way, pag nagbayad kayo, you also get the chance to use the claw machine na nando sa bandang dulo. So may yan, kita niyo yan sa may tapat ng Kenny Rogers. Just go there, kaya naman kayo ng, I'm gonna assume na kaya kayo ng crane. And yan, kuha lang kayo, yakapin nyo ng mahigpit. All the books you get to donate, and tulad ni Kuya, and then all the that gotta hurt. All the books you donate there, all the snacks from Oishi you can get to bring home. So ayan, the Human Claw experience. Also went back to buy something finally for my daughter. So My Little Pony. This is the Netflix My Little Pony Kids. So and around 440 for the L, as you can see. And finally went home, paid for it, and I'm using my tote bag from HBO. So thank you for that. And guys, don't forget to subscribe and like this channel. And I'll see you soon for the next adventure in the next vlog. Take care always. Bye bye.